Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. I'll just turn a light on. It might make it a bit easier to see what we're all doing. Might be a second. There we go, how's that? Now let me see if you're seeing what I'm seeing. Don't you be blowing up. Okay, so I thought I might do a kiss pour. I have black, white and red here. I'll put that over there. You see before you were 12 by 16 or 40 by, I forget. I know it's a 12 by 16, so it's 30 by 40 centimetre. Oh, how many of these have I done and I forgot that? Maybe I'm getting old. Too late. Couple of cups. So first up I'm going to pour the black and white, and hopefully not, oops, you stop blowing around. I don't want to shut the door because it's so humid here today. I'm just sure I wouldn't be able to breathe. Right, so oops, nearly dropped it. Okay. And I might just top that with a bit of white. And then put him over here. Start with the red and black. Black. You'll find the colours, names and the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium underneath this video there under Show More. You'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. I might have to scrape these out a bit because I've got more in one cup than I have in the other. I haven't done that very well. Okay. That's that one. A bit more. Alright. Now, black. I think I'll have enough anyway. Right. So, here we go. Oh, this is going to be interesting. So, oops, nope, don't go over the edge. Not good. Not yet, anyway. The black is the only one I put a bit of silicone in, or none of the other colours, just the black. Over there you go, a little bit more. That's it. Just mix this around a bit, get onto the corners. That's very pretty. Very pretty indeed. What's that? it out. Okay, I'm just going to, no, you're not going to fly around. Get on there. Right. Now, let's see, I might bring that red down a bit more. I can do that this way. Come on, down to the end. Excellent. And then I have it, looks like an ear. Alright. That'll be good. Now, over here. Now I'm just going to wipe my hands and then I'll get the torch onto it. I think that's really pretty. I'm not even going to whizzle with that or anything. That to me is just absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I like a lot. So I'm going to bring you down, especially this little piece here. It's kind of cute. I'll bring you down to have a look. As I said, the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium are down below. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. This is what I've been looking at, with a million cells, from the tiniest of little tiny ones right up to these quite larger ones. And as I said, the only thing that had any OGX in it was the black. So the white and the red did not. Yes, I'm very happy. So please give this the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this, and you haven't already. Please click on subscribe and the little bell, and you'll be notified when I put up more videos. And I'll catch you over Australia Art Dreaming or in the next video. So thank you and bye for now.